Hello, I am Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how I converted knit rompers into dresses so that it is easy for my daughter to wear at home. So these are 4 rompers. They have snaps in below. So I'm using my acrylic ruler, rotary cutter and cutting mat. I'm going to trim the below part of the romper. So I will put the links in the description. So I have, this is the other one, next one. So take some practice to cut the fabric, and this is also cotton knit fabric. So this is the 4th one. So now I'm using this schmetz twin needle. This is for stretch fabric. I got it from US. So you can see zoom in and see the details. So this is how I place 2 polyester threads. So it will come look like this in the needle position. So I want the twin lines to come on the outside. So I am folding the inside, and the right sides will be up. I'll show you why I'm doing like this. I'm slowly doing this. The side seams are a little tricky. I need to be very careful not to stretch out the fabric because this is stretchable fabric. So now you can see that how the inside part, it forms a zigzag kind of thing, and the outside is this neat. This is just like how you see in the ready-made clothes. This same can be achieved by a machine called as cover stitch machine, which is pretty expensive in India, so I don't use that. So this is the end result. Now it looks a little wavy, so we can remove some of it by giving a good press. I can use a steam option of my iron also, but this is more easy for me. Now you can see that once I'm done with this, the seams are much more better. The wavy feeling of the seams are more gone. You can see that here. It has come out well. So this is another romper that I converted into dress by using the normal zigzag stitch, and it was a normal needle, maybe 90 by 40. So the issue with this was that the thread was repeatedly breaking, which is when I decided to move on to a stretch needle, and that decision was very quick. So I'll always suggest using a stretch needle when I'm working with knit fabric whenever possible. Thank you for watching.